Hey everyone, welcome back to our adventure in the UK. After an unforgettable time in Birmingham celebrating Rawan's master's graduation, we headed off to London for a short but action packed 2 day trip. But let me tell you, things didn't exactly go as planned.
Hola. So today we are leaving. We are moving.
Trying to leave.
We're trying to leave from Birmingham to London. And guys, we are like literally trying to leave since 8 a.m. and now it's almost 11 and we cannot get any train because I don't know, there is kind of emergency. So all the trains they are assigning to London are cancelled. So what we are doing since 8 a.m. is moving from platform to platform to find at least any train to move us from this station.
So we just left. Hopefully the next train will leave in 10 minutes. So let's see.
Let's see if that happens. We'll keep
Wish
you
us luck.
posted.
Our 1 hour train ride from Birmingham turned into a 4 hour journey as the trains kept changing, making the journey a lot longer than we expected.
So finally we find a solution. We had to get on a train going to a station that I cannot remember the name. I know what time we reached though. Then we need to change to another train that is going to take us to the Euston station in London. So hopefully everything is going to be fine. It's been quite an adventure. So let's. We made it to our next stop. Now we need to follow some ladies. They will show us the way to get the next stop, next train, sorry.
So the lady,
Let me show you the lady.
these our people who will help us. Hey!
Finally, we arrived in London and made our way to Jubilee Hotel, just a few minutes from Victoria Station. After the long journey, we took a well-deserved break at the hotel, just recharging for the adventure ahead. With only 2 days in London, we decided to hit the city's most iconic spots. First stop, the Big Ben.
Finally, we made it to London, and here is the Big Ben. Whoop, whoop. Guys, it was long ride, but to be honest, it was worth it.
Seeing it in person was incredible. We took some amazing pictures, soaking in the historic vibes. Next, we crossed Westminster Bridge and made our way towards the London Eye, but not before grabbing lunch at Troya. Now, I gotta be honest, it was a little bit overpriced, but if you're looking for international cuisine with a great view, it's not a bad option. Unfortunately, by the time we got to the London Eye, tickets were already sold out and the queues were insane. But no worries, the weather was perfect and we decided to walk along the Thames, taking in the street art, restaurants and lively atmosphere along the river. Our next stop was St. Paul's Cathedral. This stunning piece of architecture has been an important symbol of London since its completion in the late 17th century. Now, if you are a photography enthusiast, right in front of the cathedral is the Millennium Bridge, where you can get some incredible views of the city and the cathedral itself, and the pictures are amazing.
We're now in London. We did a lot of location actually. The most important thing, I saw the Big Ben. It was amazing. It was my first time to London, and I didn't expect that Big Ben is that huge. And to feel or to get this feeling. But yeah, I love it.
Yeah, the problem with London is that there are a lot of things to do. Most of them are like indoor shows and so on. So today we've been just walking around, went to, I don't know, there's so many bridges in the city.
A lot of
We're not going
bridges.
to the main touristic points because my last time here in London was 12 years ago, so it's been a long time. So it's basically our first time together. So we're just rediscovering the city again.
Look, guys, look at the view here. Woohoo! We have the cathedral, San Paulo Cathedral behind us. St. Paul, sorry. And the thing is, the weather is good, but it's a bit rainy. And suddenly you get sun, you feel hot. Suddenly you get cloud, and it's so cold. Suddenly you get rain, but also hot. So you never know. So when you come, prepare everything. Not only one summer outfit or winter outfit. No, bring both.
Doing everything.
Everything.
As the day started to wind down, we made our way to Tower Bridge, one of London's most iconic landmarks. Built in the 19th century, it is both an engineering marvel and a picture-perfect spot. We couldn't help but take a ton of photos here. With these amazing views, we wrap up our first day in London and headed back to the hotel for some much needed rest. Our second day started bright and early at the Buckingham Palace. We were greeted with an extra treat. King Charles was at the palace, and we had the chance to see him on his way to Parliament. Not bad for a first time in London.
Good morning! So today is the second day here in London, and now we are on the way to the Buckingham Palace to see the change guard. And guess what, guys?
The king is here.
Yeah, we just got to know that King Charles will be here. We can see him leaving the palace,
Hopefully.
and we will see the horses and everything. And then the guard change will start, and it will last like for 40 minutes. And yeah, so we are so excited. We didn't expect that. We were so lucky.
First time in London and we get to see the king.
Yes, yes, yes. So now we are hitting the fire. I don't know what they call it. I don't know. But now we just. To be honest, it's a bit scary.
They said it would be far from here, but it sounds very close.
I got the goosebumps.
Yeah, let's go inside out.
So we saw King Charles. It was amazing. It was amazing. Like the best experience ever here in the UK. We didn't expect that. We came for just changing the guard, and we got. Oh, it's there.
Yes,
We got the chance to see King Charles. Yeah, yeah.
After that royal experience, we headed to Carnaby Soho. This area is packed with cool shops and restaurants, and it was the perfect place to just wander around and soak in the city's vibrant energy. Lunch on the second day was at O'Neill's, where we had some of the best burgers we have ever tasted. Seriously, if you are ever in Soho, check this place out.
Look at you. Where are we going?
To Oxford Street. So we are here now. We have just to walk here, and all this is the Oxford Street.
After an amazing lunch, we continued our tour with a walk down Oxford Street, one of London's most famous shopping districts. While we didn't do as much shopping as we planned, it was still a great place to end our time in the city. With that, our action-packed 2 days in London came to an end. We headed back to the hotel, picked up our bags, and made our way to the airport, ready to head back home. Overall, London was an unforgettable experience. From its historic landmarks to its vibrant streets, this city has so much to offer, and 2 days were just enough to scratch the surface. We can't wait to come back and explore more. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out more of our adventures. See you in the next one.